I improved this powerful high win rate scalping strategy that's used to trade on TradingView. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to trade with it for yourself. Watch the full video so you don't miss the secret tip, and let's get straight into the video. Scalping is trading quick on a lower time frame. While this in general is a risky way to trade, many traders actually love this style as it gives fast profits. Well, let me show you a free strategy that makes money very quickly. This video is going to be using a group of moving averages to find trade setups. So let's jump onto TradingView and get them added to the chart. First, open the indicators tab. We're going to add 3 exponential moving averages, but since the free TradingView only allows 2 indicators, let's find an alternative. Search 3 EMA and add the 3 EMA cross indicator right here. Let's change the settings. But just before we do that, let me quickly tell you about Flux Charts. They wanted to sponsor today's video to show you how powerful their premium indicators actually are. I have previously tested them on this channel and had insane results, and for only the price of one takeaway a month, you could gain access to life-changing indicators and an amazing community of other like-minded traders, all the way from beginner to expert, that are making money the same way you want to. So check them out risk-free with the first link down in the description and in the comments section, and seeing exactly how much value they cram into this tiny membership fee. Flux Charts has been very generous to offer you a 20% off if you use code MO at checkout. So please go check them out for yourself. And thank you again to Flux Charts for sponsoring today's video. So let's get back to it. Double click on the 3 EMA indicator and change the value of the first EMA's length to 5. Change the second EMA's length to 8 and change the third EMA's length to 13. These are the 3 core moving averages we will be focusing on, with an added bonus later. Trading with this strategy is surprisingly simple. You can see we have 3 EMAs on our chart and we have 1 free bonus indicator to add shortly. But for now, these are the rules for the strategy. On the chart, make sure you are trading for the correct session. This improves the chances of getting the volume we need to profit massively. It's also important to note that although this is a scalping strategy, this can be used on a higher time frame such as the 1 hour chart with great results. The rules are simple: buy or long position. For step 1, we want to wait for the 5 EMA to cross above the 8 EMA. Step 2, we want to wait for the 8 EMA to cross above the 13, and at this point, price will be at the top, followed by the 5 EMA, then the 8 EMA, and then the 13 EMA. Now, let's add the bonus to improve the win rate and use it as a safe stop loss level. Open indicators again, search one-sided, and add the one-sided Gaussian indicator. The only settings I've changed is the remove signals tick box. I've removed this as we won't need it. And now for trading, the rules are simple. For a trade setup, we first want to see the EMAs cross above one another. The next step in this strategy is to wait for the one-sided indicator to change color. So if it's a buy or long trade, it will be green at the point of the EMA crosses. We then wait for the one-sided line to turn red. Now our entry starts when the line turns green again for the second time. We do this to avoid entering trades at the high and to also get in trades at a discounted entry. You can place your stop loss level at the grey plot lines on the one-sided indicator here. For a buy, place it underneath, and for a sell, place it above. Or for a more aggressive entry, you can place the stop loss right on the green and red indicator line. And from here, we target a 2.5 or 3 risk to reward ratio, and just like that, the trade plays out. The rules are exactly the same for a sell, just reversed. Here's an example. Okay, so now it's time to show the results for this improved strategy over 100 trades. Please hit the like button and go check out how I trade personally in the link below. And let's get straight into the results. And here we have the final results. Over 100 trades, we had 59 wins and 41 losses, giving us a gain of 278% from a $1,000 account. And a safe win rate of 59%. Massively improved just from the original 3 EMA strategy rules. Please go and check this strategy out for yourself on TradingView, and definitely check out the one-sided Gaussian indicator I hope you have enjoyed. My name is Mo, and I will see you in the next video.